This is Saurabh Anand. This is the 10th experiment of C# and .NET Programming Lab, and the topic is web application using ASP.NET. So, aim of the experiment is to develop a shopping application using C#.NET by integrating database with proper authentication and various operation context with defined application. So the constraints we'll be using in the 10th experiment, it will be similar to the ninth one. Only thing we'll be adding is the master page. So here we'll be designing a master page with the tree view on the left side, registration form validating using validation controls, and user program the custom controls. As it is stated here, we'll be using the same project what we've done in the previous experiment, that is experiment number 9. So let me jump to the code directly. So yeah, so this is the master page which I'll be directing. I made it. This is the Best Buy. Like this body will be the same where it comes to the login page, register page, or the main page. And this is the body part where we can write everything like all the text box or the labels or any other like commands, form elements we can add through it and can perform operations accordingly. So this is the design of it. Again, it's a drag and drop, and we have done a few of modification to it. That's very simple, and then the source of it. So yeah, here it is the whole coding for the master page. This is the syntax for it. At the master language C#. This is the syntax for the master where to do it, and then there is the same similar like HTML. We have just written SP and written the whole command for it, like the style of it or the width or the height, front weight, margin, whatever you want. You can do all the style sheeting if you want in this. So this is the basically the master page how we designed. So this will carry forward to each and every element whatever we use it. So now let me to show you the database. This is the database which I'll be using. So database is in the system. So here I'll using database, and my database name is sample db, and the table inside the table my database name is db or sample table. This was the database, and these are the elements which I entered into it, like Saurabh2 gmail.com, Aaron 1346. These are the things I'll be doing it. So and this particular 4 columns to it, you have 5 columns, that is username, email, password, confirm password, and the mobile number. So this is what the database looks like on a backend. Now let me show you the program. So this is the server thing. Now I'll show you. Yeah. So this is the main login page. Suppose when you go to visit a website, this is what you'll get it. This is the master page will be carried on to each and everything. It's again drag and drop thing which have dragged all the elements and dropped to it. Now this is the source of it. This is the design. We have done all the styling of it and all the design related to the page we have done. Now this is the register page. Yeah. So this is the recipe. How this looks like this. Like the same master page, the Best Buy thing will be carried forward in each and everything. The content placeholder, what I've done is I've added few levels with the text box to it, like for using it, creating a new user. And now accordingly, if we see for this register, yeah, this part where we have connected to the database, we have connected to the database, and similarly we have done for the login. Login also we have carried forward the same master page, the Best Buy thing, and the content placeholder we have added 2 levels, 2 text box, and a button like login button now. So this is how it looks like. And here again we have connected to database with a sample DB connection string. This is the database name. This is how we have done. Now I'll show you the output for the program. Yeah. Yeah. So this is what is the master page I was talking about. This part will be what you will carry forward to each and every page whatever you carried. So this, so if suppose you want to go to register page, still this will be there. You can register your name as was shown in the previous experiment. So whatever, and then put some email ID, put some random password. No, password should know that. So password I'm putting as AERON. Remember all caps on AERON, and the mobile number is some thing. So this address, so this will be entered in the database. Let me show you the database right now. So this will be the database I'll be doing. Uh, yeah. So here the things which I've entered has come in this. I've entered the element, the Saurav and all is showing over here. Now let me jump to the program now. So this was the output. So accordingly, the basically master page is like carrying the same thing again and again. Like you have a page, you don't want to change the like the whole look alike will be same for the page, and only thing we change is um, the header file or like whatever the content you want, you can change through it. Now you can log in through the user SAURAV